Hop into the 2022 INFINITI QX80. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a view of this boldly stylish INFINITI QX80, the full-size luxury SUV that brings high-end comfort, beefy towing ability, and spacious three-row seating to every off-road adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, keyless entry, moonroof, heated driver's seat, moonroof, navigation system, backup camera, lane keeping assist. You only live once. Live large. Get into this spacious QX80 and go. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.